and studied the memoirs of General Giap, the commanding general of the North Vietnamese Army. Oh yes, and before I go further, I need to let you know something. I pronounced his name Giap for all the purists in here. Where my people are from in southeastern Alabama, they would pronounce that name as Gap. So that's the pronunciation I'll be using tonight, because I can't go through the whole thing going Giap, because we're going to be visiting the little general here shortly.